Welcome to DataVare EML to Hotmail Converter Expert, your trusted solution to import EML files directly into your Outlook.com or Hotmail account with ease, speed, and 100% accuracy. Features of DataVare EML to Outlook.com Importer. Error-free and lightning-fast uploading. Import multiple EML files at once. Batch mode supported. Supports all standard EML file formats. Compatible with all latest versions of Windows. Steps to convert EML to Hotmail. Step 1. Download and install the DataVare application on your Windows PC. Once installed, double-click the desktop icon to launch the software. The main interface will appear. Step 2. Add your EML files. You have two options. Use file mode to add individual EML files. Use folder mode to upload an entire folder containing multiple EML files. Click on the Browse button to locate the files on your system. Step 3. Authenticate your Hotmail or Outlook.com account. Enter your email ID and password, then click on Authenticate Me to allow the tool to access your mailbox securely. Step 4. Select a folder in your Hotmail account where you want to upload the emails. You can also create a new folder if needed for better organization. Step 5. All set? Click on the Start Uploading button to begin transferring your EML files. The tool will handle everything. Fast, safe, and without duplicates. For more information, visit our website. Thanks for watching.